Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive, Caringbah, Sydney. I've got a Porsche Cayenne Diesel with the black intake manifold, which is Gen 2 Diesel. If you've got a silver intake manifold, it's the actual Gen 1 Diesel. Okay, so Gen 2 Diesel have a shorter oil filter. Gen 1 Diesel have a longer oil filter. That's the difference. So one sits in the middle, since the Gen 2 sits in the front, and Gen 1 sits around here in the middle, somewhere there. Alright, today I'm doing a front crank seal. As you can see, that's leaking right there. So I've got to remove the fan, the intercooler pipes, wiring harness. If you're wondering how to take the fan out, it's not that bad. So that's the little clip stand. You're going to push that clip in and then pull one side up and push that clip in. And then pull one side up and the whole fan just come up, grab it in the middle and then bring it up straight. The only thing you gotta take off is that little bypass hose, which is that one there on top, because that runs on top here. So that hose there has got two screws, one there, which goes on the fan, one there and one there. Alright, so that's all it's gotta come off. So now I'm gonna take the belt off, the dry belt. See how loose the belt is. It's too loose, I might get a new one. 6PK2528. That's the belt on this one. So 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set it all. Cuts on the belt there, slots. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So pretty much say 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what the 6 means. Alright, 6PK and 2528. That's the length. That number there is the length of the belt. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna take the belt off, loosen the tensioner, take the harmonic balancer out. The funny thing is, I've stopped the engine at top dead center. Don't know how I've done it. This is the first time ever I have stopped an engine at top dead center. So top dead center means that little arrow there is pointing right to 12 o'clock. So I've got to take that out, take this out. I'm going to take the crank sump plug off and then lock the crankshaft in place and then take this one off. Special tool and then do the seal. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.